Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's great to be here with you today. How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, Adam. I had a lovely cup of coffee this morning, and it really helped me wake up and start my day with energy.
Ah, yes. Nothing beats a good cup of coffee in the morning. It's the perfect way to begin the day, right?
Definitely. It makes me feel ready to take on anything. What about you, Adam? How was your morning?
Mine was great, too. I went for a short walk before breakfast. The weather was cool, and the sunrise looked beautiful. It really set a positive tone for the day.
That sounds amazing. A morning walk is such a good habit. Fresh air, a little movement, and a clear mind. Perfect combination.
Exactly. And speaking of mornings, today's lesson is talking about your day in English.
Oh, yes. We'll learn how to talk about your daily life, what you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening using simple, natural English.
That's right. We'll share some useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, and fun examples to help you describe your day confidently.
Sounds great. So grab your notebook and maybe your favorite drink, and let's get started. Hey, Adam. How was your day?
Oh, hi, Sarah. My day was pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
It was fine, but kind of busy. I had a lot of meetings today.
Meetings again? Sounds exhausting. What were the meetings about?
Mostly about a new project we're starting next month. I had to discuss plans with the design team.
That sounds interesting. Did everything go smoothly?
Not really. There were a few misunderstandings. Some team members didn't agree on the timeline.
Oh, that happens a lot in big projects. How do you handle it?
I tried to calm everyone down and remind them that we're working toward the same goal.
That's smart. Good teamwork is all about communication.
Exactly. So, what about you, Adam? What did you do today?
Well, my day started early. I woke up around 6:30 a.m., had a quick breakfast, and went for a short walk.
Nice. Morning walks are so refreshing. Did you listen to music?
Yeah, I did. I was listening to a podcast about positive habits. It really motivated me for the day.
That's a great way to start your morning. What did you have for breakfast?
Just something simple. Toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee.
Classic breakfast. I had oatmeal with fruits. I'm trying to eat healthier lately.
That's good. I should do that too. So, after your meetings, what did you do?
I had lunch with my coworkers. We went to a small cafe near the office.
Oh, sounds nice. What did you eat?
I had a chicken sandwich and a salad. The food was delicious, but the cafe was crowded.
Yeah, lunchtime cafes are always busy. Did you get any time to relax after lunch?
Not really. I had to prepare a report for my manager. It took almost the whole afternoon.
That sounds tiring. Do you usually work that late?
Sometimes. But today, I finished around 6 p.m., which is not too bad.
That's still a long day. You deserve some rest.
Thanks. What about you? How was your afternoon?
After my morning walk, I worked from home. I had some online meetings with clients.
Oh, really? Were the meetings productive?
Yes, mostly. One client wanted to change the design of a project, so we discussed new ideas.
That sounds creative. You must enjoy that part of your job.
Yeah, I do. I like coming up with new concepts, but sometimes clients change their minds too often.
Oh, I know that feeling. It can be frustrating when people keep changing their requests.
Exactly. But I guess that's part of the job.
True. Did you take a break during work?
Yeah, I took a short break around 3 p.m. I made some tea and stretched a bit.
Good. I always forget to take breaks. I just keep working until I get too tired.
You should take small breaks. It really helps with focus.
I'll try that tomorrow. So, what did you do after work?
After work, I went grocery shopping. I needed some vegetables and snacks.
Did you cook dinner yourself?
Yeah, I did. I made some pasta with tomato sauce. Simple, but tasty.
Yum! I love pasta. Did you watch anything while eating?
Yeah, I watched an episode of a travel show. It was about Italy, so it matched the pasta mood.
That's funny. I love watching travel shows too. They make me want to pack my bags and go somewhere.
Same here. Maybe we should plan a short trip sometime.
That's a great idea, but I'd need a few days off first.
Yeah, same here. Work keeps us busy.
So true. Anyway, after dinner, I just relaxed for a bit. I scrolled through social media, then read a book.
What book are you reading now?
It's called Atomic Habits. It's about how small habits can change your life.
Oh, I've heard of that book. I think I should read it too.
You definitely should. It's really inspiring.
Sounds good. So, what time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m., but sometimes later if I'm watching something interesting.
I know that feeling. I try to sleep early, but I end up scrolling through my phone too.
Same here. Maybe we both need better bedtime habits?
Yeah, let's work on that together.
Deal.
So, after dinner, do you usually watch TV or do something else?
It depends on the day. Sometimes I watch a movie, but other times I go for an evening walk to clear my mind.
That's nice. Evening walks sound peaceful. Do you go alone?
Usually, yes, I just walk around my neighborhood and listen to soft music or a podcast.
That's such a good way to relax. I wish I had the motivation to walk after work.
You should try it sometime. Even a 10-minute walk makes a big difference.
Yeah, maybe I'll start tomorrow. Lately, I've just been staying on the couch after work.
That's okay too. We all need to rest. What do you usually watch?
Mostly dramas or documentaries. I'm watching one now about people who quit their jobs to travel the world.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Would you ever do that? Just leave everything and travel?
Honestly, I'd love to, but I think I'd miss my routine after a while. What about you?
I'd love to travel for a few months, not forever. I like having a stable place to come back to.
Same here. A long trip sounds amazing, but I still enjoy my daily life.
Yeah, sometimes even an ordinary day can be nice if we take it slow.
True. Actually, I've been trying to make my evenings more meaningful.
Oh, really? How so?
Well, I started journaling. Every night before bed, I write about my day, what I did, how I felt, and one thing I'm grateful for.
That's awesome.
I've heard journaling helps with stress and self-awareness.
It really does. It helps me understand my emotions better. You should try it too.
Maybe I will. I'm not great at writing, though.
It doesn't have to be perfect writing, just honest thoughts. Sometimes I just write a few sentences.
That sounds manageable. I'll give it a try tonight.
Great. So, what do you usually do before bed?
I like to stretch for a few minutes, then read something light, usually an article or a short story.
That's nice. I used to scroll through social media before bed, but it made it hard to sleep.
Yeah, same here. The phone screen keeps our minds active.
Exactly. That's why I now keep my phone on the other side of the room at night.
Smart move. I should start doing that too.
You should. It helps a lot. So, how do you usually feel at the end of the day?
It depends. Some days I feel productive and satisfied. Other days, I feel like I didn't do enough.
I know that feeling, but I think it's okay not to be productive every single day.
You're right. We all need some downtime.
Exactly. Sometimes resting is productive. It helps us recharge.
Well said, Sarah. You sound like a motivational speaker.
Maybe I should be one. But seriously, I've learned that self-care matters.
I agree. What's your favorite way to relax after a stressful day?
Probably taking a warm shower, putting on soft music, and drinking some herbal tea.
That sounds perfect. For me, it's cooking something I love or watching a funny show.
Laughter really helps. I love comedy shows too. They always make me feel better.
Same here. Life's too short to be serious all the time.
True. Oh, by the way, do you plan your next day before sleeping?
Sometimes, I like to make a small to-do list for tomorrow. It keeps me organized.
Me too. I write down 3 important things I want to finish the next day.
That's a good strategy. Helps you focus.
Exactly. So, what's on your plan for tomorrow?
Let's see. I have a client meeting in the morning. Then I'll work on a new design project in the afternoon.
Sounds busy, but exciting.
Yeah. I enjoy the creative parts. What about you?
I have to review some reports and prepare slides for Friday's presentation.
Presentations. Do you get nervous speaking in front of people?
Sometimes, yes, but I've gotten better. I practice in front of the mirror or record myself.
That's a smart method. Practice really helps build confidence.
Definitely. What about you? Do you have to present often?
Not really, but I do talk to clients often, so communication skills matter.
Yeah, being clear and confident makes a big difference.
Exactly. So, do you think tomorrow will be another busy day?
Probably, but I'll try to keep it balanced. Maybe I'll take a short walk during lunch.
Good idea. Fresh air always helps.
True. I might also meet a friend for dinner if I finish work early.
That's nice. It's important to spend time with people who make you happy.
Absolutely. Good company always lifts your mood.
You know, Sarah, talking about our day like this feels really nice.
Yeah, it does. It's good to reflect and share what we've done.
It helps us appreciate the small things, right?
Exactly.
Even ordinary days can feel special when we talk about them.
That's true. It's like reliving the good moments.
Yeah. Maybe we should do this more often, just chat about our day.
I'd like that. Maybe once or twice a week?
Deal. We can call it our evening talk tradition.
Sounds perfect. So, what time is it now?
It's almost 10:30. I should start getting ready for bed.
Same here. I'll make some tea and read a bit before sleeping.
Good idea. I'll write in my journal and turn off my phone.
Nice! I'll try journaling tonight too. My first entry.
That's great. Start with something simple, like, what made you smile today?
I'd say this conversation made me smile.
Aw, that's sweet. Same here, Adam. It was a good chat.
Yeah. Sleep well, Sarah.
You too, Adam. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!